I just thought I'd explain these two big trees here. We follow them down to the ground. That's kind of the path we're aiming for through here, and that'll connect up to this slab. And there's a bit of a culvert here that we're going to build a bridge over just in here. You can kind of see this old bridge there. We're not going to get rid of that, but we're just going to build a better one here in the path we want. So we've got to clear out all those logs. There's a pile of dirt behind those logs covered in grass. We're going to level that out, and that's a pile of dirt there covered in grass, so we'll get rid of that. I'll just cross over to the other side to show you what we're trying to connect into, because it's gorgeous out there. But these two trees are what we're aiming for. Come through here and then all the way towards the house that way. So there's just some amazing bushland through here where some of it's just kept kind of natural, and then some kind of thoroughfares are mowed into the grass so you can walk around and enjoy this spot. So I've just cleared a lot of shrubs and bushes through here. So once we build our bridge, we'll just connect in to this section here. We should get a better line of sight from the pool once these mounds of dirt are flattened off, and you'll be able to see deeper into this gorgeous country here. I've never seen anything like it.
We worked hard on the rest of it. What was that?
I've never seen anything like it.
Yeah, Tony loves that.
Yeah, just love the bucket, eh?
Is that what? Whatever looks the best. Yeah. A couple of those sausage rolls then, what does? And I'll just buff while I've tried the top every day yet.
Alright, so there's a pile of wood and dirt here. Hopefully I get a good before and after. You see how much further in to the bushland you can see. So moving all that soil just really lets you see through from the bushland towards the pool and the house, and vice versa. If you're at the house, you can see into the bushland now. And it's just one of the most amazing things we've done here, to be honest. Alright, that should wrap things up for this episode. We've finished off all the railway sleeper path. Now there are some materials behind me. That's for the pool fence, which needs to happen. There's some glass in the shed, and there's also some tiles here. That's for the slab around the pool. So that's pretty much it for the year. It's mid-December at the minute. I've got a couple more days, and then I'll wrap up for the year. So I'll have a break, and then who knows what'll get done here while I'm gone. But when I come back, I'm sure I'll fill you in. So thanks for watching this episode, and I'll see you next time.